प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ शन्नो मित्रः शं वरुणः शन्नो भवत्वर्यमा शन्न इन्द्रो बृहस्पतिः शन्नो विष्णुरुक्रमः। नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्ते वायो त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्म वदिष्यामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। विश्वं पश्यति कार्यकारणतया स्वस्वामि सम्बन्धतः शिष्याचार्यतया तथैव पितृपुत्राध्यात्मना भेदतः। स्वप्ने जाग्रति वाय एष पुरुषो माया परिभ्रामितः। तस्मै श्रीगुरुमूर्तये नम इदं श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः।
अथातो ब्रह्म जिज्ञासा कर्मणि षष्ठी was concluded, both grammatically and also in accordance with the Shruti. Tad vijidnyasasva tad brahmeti. The sixth case, the genitive case in the brahmanaha, that compound that was expounded as brahmanaha jidnyasa. Sixth case is used in the sense of accusative, the object case. Now, what is this jidnyasa? The avayava padartha, the constituents of the word jidnyasa. Jidnyasa is a one word, but it is made up because of desiderative. So, root is there, jna, and san pratyaya, the desiderative suffix is there. So, what exactly it means? Jnatum ichha.
ज्ञातुम इच्छा जिज्ञासा अवगति पर्यन्तं ज्ञानम् संवाच्याया इच्छायाः कर्म
संवाच्यायाः इच्छायाः कर्म फलविषयत्वादिच्छायाः ज्ञानेन हि प्रमाणेन अवगन्तुम् इष्टं ब्रह्म. ज्ञातुम् इच्छा जिज्ञासा, desire to know, that is jidnyasa. Now, what is the karma, object of this jidnyasa? And jidnyasa word primarily means ichha. Ichha, the question is, what is the object of this ichha? And in the case of ichha, the object karma itself becomes the phala. That is the peculiar feature of the verb to desire. Whatever you desire is the result that you want to acquire. So that is the principal essence. So therefore now the question is, so that is jnatum ichha, desire to know what? Brahma. Means you want to gain the knowledge of Brahma. Now what is that knowledge? Can you specify that knowledge? This exactly is the nature of that knowledge. So that is what is to be seen now. For that a question comes. What is that question? See, last but fourth line tika. Earlier you have seen jidnyasa padasya avayavartham aha. Avayavartham means the constituents of jidnyasa, namely jnana and san pratyaya, the desiderative affix or suffix. So, now nanu avagat, this is the fact as far as any desire is concerned. What is it? Avagate vastuni ich, not on the avagate, anavagate, see there. Nanu anavagate, Sanskrit means you should be very careful. Even in pronouncing also you should be careful, tongue twister. Nanu anavagate. Anavagate means what? Na avagate. If not known. If not. What is not known? Anavagate says vastuni. See, you desire something, but unless you have got some knowledge about something, can you desire? No. No one can have any desire for unknown things. That is why mass media flourishes. It gives you something and which tickles, and they know where to catch the fellow. They find out the weak point of the customer and there they attack. So you should know something, or you should know the thing to be desired. Is it not as I say? If you don't know the thing, you say desire is not possible. Anavagate vastuni. Anavagate means adnyate, unknown. About a thing that is unknown. Ichchayaha adarsanat. Ichcha is not seen at all. Ichcha is not seen. Means unless you know the thing, you can't have a desire for the thing. This is the principle. So therefore, what should be done now? You are talking about jidnyasa. Jnatum ichha, about what? Brahma. So you desire Brahma. Should you not know something about Brahma? If you know Brahma, why should you have desire to know Brahma? You already know Brahma. Therefore says, tasyaha means ichchayaha, moolam vishaya jnanam. Moolam means karana. The cause of desire is the knowledge of the thing to be desired. So the moolam, what is that? Vishaya jnanam, knowledge of the thing that is to be desired. You can add there. Iti vaktavyam. Moolam is what? The cause of desire is what? The knowledge of the thing to be desired. So you have to say, this is the rule. Yes, it is correct. What you said is correct. So, vaktavyam. Now, your Brahma jnana is the result of what? Brahma jidnyasa. Huh? Brahma jidnyasa. Now, to have the desire, you should know Brahma. How it can be the cause of desire? He says, Brahma jnanam tu. First he gave the rule. What is the rule? You should necessarily have the knowledge of the thing that you desire for. Now you are desiring for what? Brahma jnana. Your desire is for Brahma. Desire for Brahma, Brahma jnana, Brahma. You are supposed to know it or not. Otherwise, how can you have the desire? They say, Brahma jnanam tu jidnyasayaha phalam. Jnatum ichcha jidnyasa, whatever you know, that is the result of that jidnyasa. What is the result of jidnyasa? Brahma jnanam. But to desire Brahma jnana, you should know Brahma. That ichcha is possible provided you know Brahma. Then you have to tell that Brahma jnana itself is the cause of jidnyasa. Brahma jnana is the result of jidnyasa, we know. Now you have to specify the cause because of which you entertain the desire for Brahma Jidnyasa. That is what you should know Brahma. He says, Tadeva Moolam. Tadeva means that Brahma Jnana itself, Moola means Karana of Sanvacha Ichcha. He says, Katham. How is it possible? Iti Ashankya Aha. So this is the doubt. I hope you have got it. To desire something, you should know something. Here, result of Brahma Jidnyasa is Brahma Jnana. And to entertain that Jidnyasa, desire, Jidnyasa means desire, you should already know Brahma. How is it possible? So therefore now, a very important thing comes. So he brings Avagati. Avagati Paryantam Jnanam. See, we want to know what is. See, we have to now come to a point. What is the karma, object of the jidnyasa, the desire, and what is the phala of the jidnyasa? These two things have to be now described. As we have seen, both are one and the same. How is it possible? It will be a vicious circle. Unless you know, you can't desire. Unless you desire, you can't know, because both are one and the same. Phala and karma are one and the same. So therefore we say, Avagati Paryantam Jnanam. Jnanam, we will see what is Jnana, what is Avagati, everything will be seen in detail. Knowledge, how far? Paryantam, Avadhi, limit. How far? Avagati Paryantam. Let us keep the word Avagati as Avagati for the time being. Up to Avagati. That is what is to be explained now in detail. So, the Jnana up to the final or culmination of Avagati is Ichchayaha karma. Is the karma, the object expressed by, what is that? Ichcha. Which Ichcha it is? Ichcha expressed by desiderative. Sanvachayaha Ichcha. See, Sanvachayaha is adjective for Ichcha, Ichchaya. The object of desire, and what is that desire? Expressed by, indicated by desiderative sun. Its karma. Object is what? Jnanam, but not simply Jnanam. Avagati Paryantam Jnanam. Knowledge up to the point of Avagati. Why we have kept this Avagati as it is? Because really speaking, Jnana and Avagati means one and the same. Avagati means Bodha. Avagati means Bodha. Knowledge and Bodha are one and the same. And still Bhashyakara say, knowledge up to the culmination of Avagati means there must be difference or not? That difference has to be seen. It will be clear now. See, for that sake, we have to ransack all tikas now. Not only tikas, I have given material for that only, because this has to be ascertained properly. If this is not ascertained, Jnana Swarupa is not clear, all Vedantas are what? Talk only. So there is no coherence at all. And then what happens if this is not clear? Then many statements in many texts, etc., go haywire, and they start mixing this and that, and all confusion only. So this portion and Anubhavavasanatvat Bhutavastu Vishayatvacha Brahma Jnanasya, they are actually what is Avagati will be further explained in the second sutra as such. Up now, what is the karma? The object of Ichcha, which is expressed by sun, knowledge up to the point of Avagati. Then what is the phala of that? He says, phala vishayatvat ichchayaha. So that itself is the phala. Why? Ichchayaha. Ichcha, phala vishayatvat means it is like this. Phala, see, ichchayaha phala vishayatvat. English you can put this. Phala is the thing or the object aimed at by the Ichcha. Phala means result is the thing or the object aimed at, kept in view, aimed at by what? Ichcha, or kept in view by Ichcha. See, any desire, first it keeps in view what? desired object, and that itself is the object. Desired object is the phala, and that object itself is the karma karaka is the object. So that means what? This again the doubt will come and it will be answered. In the case of ichcha, karma, object and phala, result, both are one and the same, which doesn't hold good for any other kriya, any other verb, that is that. So therefore, phala vishayatvad ichchaya. Ichcha is the thing, phala is the thing or object aimed at by ichcha, or phala is a thing or object kept in view by who? Ichcha. Now we have to thrash what is this avagati. And avagati, this much we have seen, it is the final culmination of jnana. Final of culmination, because that's why jnanam avagati paryantam. Knowledge of the point of avagati means knowledge culminates in avagati, though both words mean the one and the same, knowledge. So therefore, what is this? Take tika now. This is avagati. What is it? Avarana nivritti rupa abhivyaktima chaitanyam avagatihi paryantaha avadhihi yasya akhanda sakshatkara vritti jnanasya tadeva jidnyasayaha karma tadeva phalam. This is what avagati. What is it? Actually it is chaitanyam. See, chaitanyam, it has got two adjectives. Avarana nivritti rupa. Actually, avarana nivritti rupa abhivyaktimat. One phrase it is, just for simplicity's sake, I have split it. Number one is avarana nivritti rupa and abhivyaktimat chaitanyam. That is avagatihi. What is avagati now? Chaitanya. Chaitanya is there or not? Chaitanya is there or not? Yes. There. You have got avagati now. Why you want all this problem? All this efforts, why? No. It is avarana nivritti rupa. Chaitanya, from which the avarana, what is that avarana? Veiling. Veiling means not knowing that. Who called it? Avidya, ajnana. So avidya, janya, avarana, nivritti is there. What is not there now? The veiling. What is veiling? Non-apprehension, non-cognition of Atma, which is caused by what? Ajnana, avidya, nivritti, already eliminated, terminated, and then abhivyaktimat, as a result of which the Chaitanya Rupa Atma, hitherto unknown because of the veiling caused by avidya, ajnana, is removed, and that Chaitanya is now what? Abhivyaktimat. Abhivyaktimat means manifest. That Chaitanya is now manifest. Be careful about this word manifest. Is there a time when Chaitanya is not manifest? It is manifest all the time, but due to ignorance and consequent avarana, it appears as though it is not manifest. Avarana and avidya removed, it appears as though manifest. Come on, give me illustration. Atmavoda. Meghapaye anshuman iva. When the clouds move away, sun shines. Acha, sun was not shining earlier. Sun was always shining, but the clouds covered the vision and it appeared as though sun is not shining. The wind came, the wind blew off the clouds, and we say what? Aushuman meghapaye, how it shines. Likewise, Atma is always Abhivyakti mat only, but because of avarana, it appeared as though not manifest. Avarana removed, it appears as though now manifest. So therefore, abhivyakti mat chaitanyam, that is avagatihi. Of course, see, this is just a part of explanation. It is going to come in detail. We will be thrashing it totally by taking the passages from other places also which are connected to this. That avagati. Now what is avagati? Come on, tell me. Chaitanya manifest on account of nivritti of avarana, and avarana is called by what? Avidya. So means it is direct cognition of the Chaitanya Swarupa Atma. That avagati is paryantaha. Paryantaha means avadhihi, limit, culmination, final. Limit, culmination, final. See, whose yasya akhanda sakshatkara vritti jnanasasi jnanam avadhi paryantam. Avagati told. Now what is jnana has to be told? It says, means jnanasya avadhi, jnanasya paryantam avagati. You can take simplify that. Jnanasya paryantam. Paryantam means avadhi. Is avagati. Means the final, the end, culmination of jnana is avagati. And what is avagati? The Chaitanya manifest free from avarana, that is avarana means avidyajanya avarana. Now what is this jnana? It says jnanasya avadhino, therefore akhanda sakshatkara vritti jnanasya. Jnana is akhanda sakshatkara vritti. The vritti which is akhanda means otherwise called as what? Akhandakara vritti, which gives you sakshatkara. What sakshatkara? Direct cognition. That vritti is jnana. In fact, everything is centered on this akhanda sakshatkara vritti, which you are going to see in due course in very detail based on Vedanta Sara. We are going to see that because everything is centered there. So therefore it says, so akhanda sakshatkara vritti jnanasya. Now that is the jidnyasayaha karma. It is the object of tadeva jidnyasayaha karma, tadeva phalam. So tadeva jidnyasayaha karma. Tadeva means what? Avagati. Avagati. So that avagati is the karma, object of jidnyasa, and that avagati also is result of jidnyasa. So therefore, what is this avagati now? Chaitanya. If you want, you can write in English if at all you want that, because the Chaitanya which is manifest when the veiling of ignorance is destroyed. That is what is avagati. Avagati is the final of jnana, which is going to be told as pramana. Pramana. And that pramana is what? Jnana is akhandakara vritti. Akhandakara vritti. And that akhandakara vritti gives the sakshatkara. And when in sakshatkara what happens? Brahma is manifest, means is available for cognition in its true nature, free from all that is superimposed. As a result, do you know what happens? Because of this sakshatkara, avidya and its karya gets destroyed. And when avidya gets destroyed, its karya gets destroyed. What is this karya? All that is adhyastha. All that is adhyastha means superimposed, includes antakarana and antakarana vritti. Which vritti? Akhandakara vritti. That also goes. When it goes, chidabhasa in akhandakara vritti also goes. What remains is Chaitanya, Brahma and Brahma alone. So what remains is Chaitanya, Brahma and Brahma alone. So this way, by step will be seen in that Akhandakara Vritti. How, as a means, the step by step, finally what remains is only Brahma. That is what is Avagati. Means Avagati is a state even beyond Akhandakara Vritti, which is generally called as the Jnana. Culmination of that is Avagati. Now, still our one question remains. You have defined Avagati. Avagati is the result of Brahma Jidnyasa, and it is the karma of that Jidnyasa also. But still, how do you say? See, look, to have a desire, you should know the object. Without knowing the object, you can't have the desire. But here, the object itself is the phala. So how did you entertain desire? When you have Brahma Jidnyasa, desire to know Brahma or gain Brahma Jnana, do you know Brahma? No. If you don't know Brahma, how did you entertain the desire? How did you entertain desire? Because what is the rule? You should know the thing to be desired first, then only have desire, is it not? No problem, sir. You know. What? You know? Do you know Brahma? Yes, we know Brahma. How do you say so we know Brahma? Forget Brahma. Do you know I? Huh? Do you know I or not? Then if you know I, you don't know Vedanta. We know I as simply I am. Is it not? But we don't know the exact swarupa of this I. This I itself is Brahma in its true nature. Something has gone wrong in terms of misapprehension. So therefore, he says, Bhashyakara is going to tell afterwards, Brahma is not totally unknown. It is known, though we don't know what exactly is the Swarupa. So therefore, Samanya Jnana of Atma Brahma is there. Vishesha Jnana is not there. So therefore, desire is possible, and when desire is fulfilled, you have the phala of Vishesha Jnana. So that's the Tikakara says. Moolam tu. Moolam here is Ichchayaha Karanam. Tika continues. Ichchayaha Karanam. Moolam tu Apata Jnanam. Apata Jnana means cursory knowledge. Knowledge at first sight. Knowledge at first sight. A vague knowledge or knowledge in general. What is called upar upar. Upar upar. Upar upar. Like that, no? What is that? FIR. First is permission report, but like FIR. You know something, but it has to be proved. It has to be proved as such. So therefore he says, so that is Moolam tu Apata Jnanam. It is Apata Jnana, a vague knowledge, a cursory knowledge. Means what you grasp immediately, it may not be thorough as such. That is the Apata Jnana. Iti Adhuna Vakshate. Adhuna means now only. Now only means after few sentences. Vakshate means who is going to tell? Bhashyakara is going to tell. Iti, therefore, now see. There is Bheda between Mula Jnana and Phala Jnana. You say, Iti Phala Mula Jnana Yoho Bheda. You should know how to resolve it. See that. Phala Mula Jnana Yoho means Phala Jnana Mula Jnana Yoho Bheda. There is distinction between Mula Jnana. What is Mula Jnana? Knowledge which gave the desire to know Brahma, And phala jnana, knowledge wherein Brahma is already accomplished. Brahma jnana is accomplished. Vedat, so therefore, na jidnyasa anupapattihi iti artha. Jidnyasayaha anupapatti. Anupapatti means inapplicability. Inapplicability. Na itiyaha means jidnyasa is possible. You can't say jidnyasa is not possible. Why? You don't have the knowledge of thing to be known. We know, but it is not complete. Whereas result is complete knowledge. So that being the case, avagati paryantam jnanam sanvachayaha ichchayaha karma phala vishayatva ichchayaha. Now he wants to resolve, that means answer the doubt. See, karma and phala are different. What you are talking is karma and phala same. How is it? So for which first Purva Paksha gives an illustration how in any verb karma object of kriya and the phala of kriya differs. Then in the case of ichcha, answer is ichcha, both are one and the same. Nanu gamanasya gramaha karma. Gamana, walking. You are going to some place. So going to village. Seva, okay? Adivasi village, you are going. So Gamana, you are going by, of course, you are going by vehicle, that's fine, sir. So what is the object of your going, traveling? Seva. That is the village. Huh? Now, what is the phala of your Gamana? You can't say village. Reaching the, no, seva after. Seva afterwards. Reaching the village. Reaching the village is, Abba, traffic jam was there, 1 hour delay, reached. That is the thing. After reaching, why you went there, that is different thing. That is a seva abhi. Who says you have gone seva, you must have gone for picnic also. Other day it seems it happened. They went up to Asara, and the traffic jam from 3 o'clock in the morning, some 2 huge trucks failed, etc. Something is there, and they're up to 11 already there. Now, if they have to this thing, another 4 hours they say, they return before time for lunch. Lunch was ready. Lunch kidhar khayenge? The hotel they used to go, as they say there, but you can't eat your food inside. But the hotel they are known because every time they take tea, etc. Somebody said, if such seva is there, there will be queue for the people to come for seva. It's like a picnic. It's like a picnic only. So there will be a big queue for people. I will also come for seva. So that way as well. So like that. So gamanam, going to the village, is the action. Village is the karma, and the phala is prapti, grama prapti, reaching the village. Fine, is it? Nanu gamanasya gramaha karma. If you are walking or traveling, the karma object is, the grama means village. Tat prapti, what is the tat prapti? Grama prapti, reaching the village is what? Phalam, iti bheda. So therefore, what is the distinction there? So there is a distinction between karma and phala. So because karma is grama and phala is grama prapti. Phala is grama prapti. Fine. So what you are telling now? Vedat. Karma eva phalam iti ayuktam. Here what is that? Brahma jnana is the phala of Brahma jidnyasa, and Brahma jnana is that is the karma of jidnyasa. This ayuktam, this is the doubt. For that he says phala vishayatvat ichchayaha. What you have seen? Answer is phala vishayatvat ichchayaha. Ichcha, the phala is the thing or the thing, or that is of this object kept in view by who? Ichha. And that itself happens to be what? The karma. Because ichha karma only is there. Tika. Kriyantare tayoho bhede api. Kriyantare means in other kriyas. What is the other kriyas? Actions other than to desire ichha. In the case of kriyantara, other kriyas, verbs than to desire. Tayoho, of those two. Tayoho means karma phalayoho, of karma and phala. Ichhayaha phala vishayatva. No. Tayoho bhede api. In other kriyas, other than ichha, though there is bheda, distinction between the karma and phala, whereas ichha is concerned, ichhayaha phala vishayatvat, because phala is the thing aimed at, or the phala is the thing kept in view by ichha. Karma eva phalam ityartha. What is the phala in the case of ichha? Karma itself. What we desire itself is the result of the desire. This is the peculiarity of ichha. So, phalam ityartha. Now the point is, jnana and avagati are one and the same. And what you have told us? Avagati is the culmination of jnana. How is it possible? Both are one and the same. So therefore that answer is given by Bhashya. What is the doubt you will say? Nanu jnanavagatyoho aikyat. Of these two, jnana and avagati, I have told. Avagati means bodha, knowledge. Because of aikya, identity between jnana and avagati, bhedokti ayukta. You are distinguishing between jnana and avagati. How did you distinguish? Avagati paryantam jnanam. Knowledge culminating in avagati. Means two different things are there. How is it? So, ayukta iti aha. Bhashya. Jnanena hi pramanena avagantum ishtam brahma. Anvaya you can take. Brahma hi jnanena pramanena avagantum ishtam. Brahma is avagantum ishtam. Is ishtam means approved, desirable or fit. Brahma is fit to be known. Avagantum, to know. Brahma is something which is fit to be known by what? Jnanena pramanena. By the jnana which serves as pramana. What is pramana? The means of knowledge. Now jnana is the means of knowledge to know Brahma. What is that jnana? This jnana is akhandakara vritti. So jnana tika, jnanam vrittihi. What vritti? Antakarana vritti. You may ask, how do you say jnana is antakarana vritti? Which you will be seeing in detail. So this is only blueprint I am giving you. We are going to discuss this in very great detail as such. Any knowledge is through the means of tattadakara vritti, means vishayakara vritti. Any knowledge. If Atma Jnana is to be gained, Brahma Jnana is to be gained, that vritti must be Atmakara, is identical with Brahmakara. So therefore, Jnanena means Jnanam means vritti. What vritti? Antakarana vritti. If you want to specify further, it is akhanda sakshatkara vritti jnana. So jnana means vritti. What vritti? Akhanda sakshatkara vritti, and that is avagatihi. So that is what is avagati. No, not that way. Jnanam vritti. Which vritti? Akhanda sakshatkar vritti. The result of this vritti is avagati. See, look, this is the relation now. Jnana is the means, avagati is the result. That's why I say jnanena. When you say jnanena, what is that instrumental case? What does it say? Karana, instrument. And jnanena avagantum ishtam brahma. Brahma is to be known means avagati of Brahma is gained through jnana. Jnana is the karana, the means. And what is jnana here is akhanda sakshatkara vritti. Avagati is the result. That is, you travel by bus, reach the destination. Reaching the destination is phala. Traveling by bus is the karana, the means. So therefore, jnana is the means, avagati is the result. So that what has happened now? Distinction is drawn between jnana and avagati. Though word-wise, both are one and the same. So this is, means a bhashyakara has to distinguish between this. Because otherwise what happens? Jnana is jnana? No. So that's it. Now finally what is avagati will come to. And if you directly know avagati, no further BrahmaSutra. no further BrahmaSutra necessary as such. So therefore I say avagati Brahma. Now this avagati 100 times avagati is coming, but our problem is, what is this? Avagati. Now before proceeding, let us now just recapitulate what you have seen. What is it? Jnatum ichha jidnyasa. The desire to know is jidnyasa. So what is the karma of the object of this jidnyasa? He says avagati. But what is that avagati? Jnana only up to the point with the final of avagati. Means jnana culminating in avagati is the object of jidnyasa. And what is avagati? Chaitanya manifest free from, without avidya and avarana of avidya. What does it mean? Direct cognition of Chaitanya Rupa Atma, free from ignorance and availing caused by ignorance. That is what is that avagati. How it is gained? Through jnana. Because jnana, the avagati is the final of jnana. Means jnana is the means. What is jnana? That is told akhanda sakshatkara vritti. And antakarana vritti, which is akhanda, means it is exactly like Atma. It is exactly like a replica of Atma, which is Brahma. So that is, and which gives you sakshatkara. Sakshatkara means direct cognition. So this avagati is the karma of jidnyasa. It is the phala of jidnyasa. Now you say any verb has got different karma and different phala. How both are one and the same? Yes, here in the case of Ichha, it is so. So therefore, how this is gained? Avagati is gained? Jnanena hi pramanena. What is the jnana pramana? Akhandakara saksha, akhanda sakshatkara vritti. So avagati is gained. Fine. Now let us see what Bhamati says, what Nyayana says, but main thing is in Panchapadika. So main thing is Panchapadika. Let us just passingly see what Bhamati says. Bhamati, page 40, last line of Bhamati. Na kevalam jnanam ishyate kintu avagatim sakshatkaram kurvat avagati paryantam sanvachyayaha ichchayaha karma. See, na kevalam jnana. The question is, what is the karma, object of jidnyasa? Not simply jnana. Na kevalam jnanam ichyate. Not simply jnana, but what jnana it is? He says, avagatim. What is avagati? Sakshatkaram. So therefore, Bhamati gives the meaning of avagati as what? Sakshatkara. What is sakshatkara? Direct cognition. And that means jnana, which gives what? Sakshatkaram kurvat. Revealing you the Brahma directly. That is what is called avagati paryantam, up to the point of avagati. Avagati is sakshatkara, up to sakshatkara, that ichha, that is the karma of ichha. Fine, as far as that. Now we have to reserve now. What is the sakshatkara? It will be clear in the akhandakara vritti. So we have got now avagati means sakshatkara. Ratna Prabha told us avagati is, that is akhanda sakshatkara vritti. He has already included sakshatkara there. So we have to keep in reserve now. What is this akhanda sakshatkara vritti? What is the sakshatkara? Step by step we are going to proceed. Before that, on the giri. 41, first line on the giri. Nyanirnaya. Jnanavagatyoho aikyat. Jnana and avagati being one and the same, he says, katham bheda katha. What are you talking? Bheda means what? Jnane, by jnana avagati to be gained. Is it possible? Because both are one and the same. So katham bheda katha. See, there in your book, bheda kate is there. That te ko the karna. Bhedakata iti ashankya. It should be Bhedakatha. Bhedakatha iti ashankya. Nyanirnaya, first line, page 41. The second word. Bhedakatetyashankya. That Bhedakatetyashankya. Te ko the. Te should be made with Katham Bhedakatha. How do you talk of Bheda, between distinction between Jnana and Avagati? Why both are one and same? Ashankya. Hetu falabhavena iti aha jnanena. Hetu falabhava. Hetu means cause. What is the cause means? Jnana. Phala is result. What is the phala? Avagati. Now you know relation between Jnana and Avagati. Jnana, akhandakara vritti is the means and avagati is the phala. So when the akhandakara vritti, it becomes very clear. So this much you know. Now what Panchapadika has to say? Because you know Panchapadika has got a special status. Do you know why? Who wrote it? Padmapadacharya. And who is Padmapadacharya? Direct disciple of Shankaracharya, and he was one of the 4 prominent disciples. We can trust him. We can trust him as what was taught by who? Shankaracharya. Not only that, the legend goes that the first, that is Panchapadika means the Chatussutri portion, the first 5 sutras. First 5 sutras Tika, that Panchapadika Tika, written on BrahmaSutra Bhashya, written by who? Padmapadacharya, was read by who? Adi Shankaracharya. That the legend goes. You know that? He wrote actually Tika on entire Bhashya, and he wanted to go on pilgrimage. Big Grantha. Not nowadays pilgrimage, you know. You pre-plan all reservation trains, ashrams and hotels and all that you book and go not that way. And now, where is he going to keep that manuscript? He has to carry the manuscript. He can't carry all the time, you know, because the floods, this, the rain and all that. So he thought of his maternal uncle, Mama. Said, I will keep it in the house of Mama and go. He kept it. Fine, he kept it after all his nephew, so that he kept. This Mama became curious. What this nephew has written? What is written? And he started going through it. And this Mama was number 1 Karmakandi. He was a great Karmaka. And here he saw Karma is outright dismissed. He says this is a dangerous grantha. Dangerous grantha to karma. No, he can't destroy it because he is the custodian of that. At the same time, he doesn't want to keep it. So what it is, he removed all belongings from his house and set the house on fire with the manuscript inside. And when Padmapada Acharya came, what to do? The house went on fire and the manuscript got burned. Padmapada Acharya was totally dejected because even Krishna can't give Bhagavad Gita second time. It is not possible to repeat second time. So he was so dejected and he went to his guru and he said, this is what has happened. Shankaracharya said, I remember you had read in front of me the tika of the first 5 padas, is it not? He said, I remember that. And he said, come on, take down. And he dictated. That is the legend goes. Dictated. But they say only this much, they say. But what is available? Only up to 4th sutra, Chatussutriya says. But it was there further also. Total we don't know because certain subsequent portions of Panchapadika are referred by Bhamati. Means at the time of Bhamati, some subsequent, whether total we don't know, some subsequent portion was available and somehow in course of time the rest manuscript got lost. It's a great loss. Otherwise, you see, the direct disciple and a competent disciple who was there, so you would have got it. So that's it. Now what this Padmapada Acharya says about this Avagati, take the sheet now. First paragraph is about that Padacheda and Padarthokti of Athato Brahma Jidnyasa. Second paragraph. Avagatihi Sakshad Anubhavaha. So there you can add something. So what is that Avagati? Say Avagatihi iti. I will give you exact this. Avagatihi, after that add iti. Sakshad Anubhavaha. Further add Uchyate. Uchyate. Jnanam tu parokshe anubhavanarudhe api. A correction in your this. Anubhavanarudhopi is that. It is that okara should not be dhepi. Ekara. Means dho, that one vertical line you remove, it becomes Anubhavanarudhe api sambhavati. This is Panchapadika. Panchapadika is the name of Tika on BrahmaSutra written by Padmapada Acharya. Padmapada. So what is Avagatihi? Sakshad Anubhavaha. What is it? Sakshad Anubhava. What is Sakshat? Sakshat means direct, immediate, without anything mediate. So that is also called as what? Avyavadhanena. Vyavadhana is something in between, an intervening factor. Na vyavadhana, avyavadhana. Without anything intervening means without any intermediary. So immediate, not mediate. What is that avyavadhana? What can be in between? You are listening to me. I am talking. What is in between? Nothing. You are hearing and then report goes to mind. Hearing means what you are operating. Ear means which pramana? Pratyaksha. You are operating pratyaksha pramana. Pratyaksha Pramana. So Pratyaksha Pramana is operated or not? What all things are required for that? Ear, mind, buddhi, antakarna is required. These are in between or not? In between. So that way this is what? Not sakshat, it is vyavadhanena, not avyavadhanena, it is vyavadhanena, with intervention, with mediation, mediate things in between. Now he says, here it is, avyavadhanena, means in short, pramana vyaparam vina. Without even operating the pramana. But without pramana, what is pramana? Jnana sadhana. Without pramana, without jnana sadhana, how are you going to gain the knowledge? No. Pramana was operated. Jnana sadhana pramana was operated. And now we have come to a point now, pramana has done its job, and that pramana itself is now extinct. What is there is only avagati. So that anubhava, sakshad anubhava. So therefore sakshad anubhavaha, avagatihi iti sakshad anubhavaha uchyate. So that is sakshad anubhavaha iti uchyate. So what is avagati now? Sakshad anubhava, direct experience. Experience of what? Atma, Brahma. Means we have to experience what now? Atma, Brahma. Fine. Can you experience Atma, Brahma? What you have to do for experiencing? Nothing. If nothing, why efforts? What is the nature of Atma? Anubhava Swarupa. When you say Sakshad Anubhava, see what Panchapadika said? Sakshad Anubhava, direct experience. The question comes, this experience, is it of the Shabdadi, that is what is called as the Prapancha, Drishya, or of Atma? See, now see, Avagati is what? Sakshad Anubhava, direct experience. Experience of what? Two possibilities are there. One possibility is what? Shabdadi Prapancha. Other possibility is what? Atma. We have to find out. First, let us rule out it is not Shabdadi Prapancha. Why? Shabdadi Prapancha by itself is inert in nature. A thing that is inert in nature cannot be experienced on its own. Experience is possible on its own, but why we should bother about that? What for you want to gain the Atma Jnana? To gain the moksha. The Shabdadi Prapancha doesn't give you the moksha at all. And again, we don't need Shastra to experience Shabdadi Prapancha. Why? We are past masters in that. Yes. Our sense organs and the organs of actions are so expert in experiencing the Drishya Prapancha. Is it not? Do you need BrahmaSutra for that? Do you need Upanishad, Vedanta for that? No. So therefore, Anubhava cannot be of Drishya ruler. Then Anubhava must be of what? Atma. How Atma can be experienced? Because Atma is Anubhava Swarupa. See, because it is Anubhava Swarupa, see, there is no question of experiencing Atma. Why? Atma is already experienced or not? Yes. See, in and through every blessed experience in our life, do you know what are you experiencing? Atma. Everything is what? Nothing but Atma. And when everything is, now you are hearing, you know what is your thing? Atma. You are seeing, Atma. You are smelling, Atma. You are talking, Atma. Walking, Atma. Everything is Atma. Already accomplished. Why waste time? Atmanu Bhava is already there. Yes, my dear sir. But it is like eating a chocolate along with the wrapper. It is like eating a chocolate along with the wrapper. Chocolate is sweet or bitter? Sweet. But with that silver paper, with that you eat, what happens? Huh? So like that, see, that is true. In and through our experiences, we do experience what? Atma, agreed. But that is why, that is, they say, it is drishya sahakruta. What we experience in and through our all drishya is Atma. Do you know why? Atma itself is experience. Any experience you spell out, even the most painful migraine, Atma. It is Atma only. It is Atma. But what has happened? It is drishya sahakruta. It is mixed with what? Drishya. And drishya, which serve, drishya is in which category? Adhyastha. Adhyastha. So therefore, it has got upadhi. Atma is nirupadhika. And what you are experiencing, Atma how? Sopadhika. Is it the knowledge of true Atma? Experience of true Atma? So what is to be done now? Remove that silver paper wrapper from chocolate. Remove that silver paper wrapper from chocolate. So therefore you say, see, so that is there means the all experiences are drishya sahakruta, means they are mixed with drishya, So therefore, and therefore your experience of Atma is not yathartha, it is ayathartha. Your taste of chocolate with silver paper wrapper is not the actual taste of the chocolate, it is with the wrapper. Like that, all our experiences are no doubt of Atma, but with the drishya. It is not yathartha anubhava. Yathartha means what? True to the nature of thing. It is ayathartha. It is ayathartha. So being ayathartha, you should have the yathartha anubhava. Yathartha anubhava has to be gained. So therefore, how you can gain yathartha anubhava? All those drishya which is mixed has to be removed. What is drishya? Adhyastha. What is adhyastha? Avidya karya. If you remove the avidya and avidya karya, what remains? Brahma only. So therefore, what is to be done is this adhyastha has to be removed. Tomorrow we will see.
Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Guram Mausanalo Nilo Paramahar Natho Himaushu Kumar Idrabhati Characharatmakamidam Yasyaiva Murtyashtakam Nanyat Kinchana Vidyate Vibhrushatam Yasmat Parasmat Vibho Tasmai Shri Guru Murta सहितं यस्मादमुष्मिन् कवे तेनास्य श्रवणात् तदर्थमननात् ध्यानाच्च संकीर्तनात् सर्वात्मत्वमहाविभूतिसहितं स्यादीश्वरत्वं स्वतः सिद्धेतत्पुनरष्टधा परिणतं चैश्वर्यमव्याहतम् अशुभानि निराचष्टे तनोति शुभसन्ततिं श्रुतिमात्रेण यत्पुंसां ब्रह्म तन्मङ्गलं परम् अतिकल्याणरूपत्वात् नित्यकल्याणसंश्रयात् स्मर्तॄणां वरदत्वाच्च ब्रह्म तन्मङ्गलं विदुः ओङ्कारश्चात्मशब्दश्च द्वावेतौ ब्रह्मणः पुरा कण्ठं भित्त्वा विनिर्यातौ तस्मान् माङ्गलिकावुभौ ॐ अथ लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः